Making weekend plans. Hey, Yamen, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might just stay home and rest. Why?
Come on, it's the weekend. You can't just stay home.
Well, sometimes that's the best plan. No plan.
Okay, Mr. No Plan, but seriously, we should do something fun.
All right, I'm listening. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we could go to the park, have a picnic, or see a movie.
Oh, a movie sounds good. What's playing this weekend?
Let's see. There's a new action movie, City Chase 2, and a comedy called The Awkward Wedding.
The awkward wedding? That sounds funny already.
Yeah, I love comedies. What about you?
I like action, but maybe comedy is better for a relaxing weekend.
Finally, you agree with me.
Only this time.
Okay, then it's settled. Saturday evening, movie time.
Sounds perfect. Should we invite anyone else?
Hmm, maybe just us. It'll be easier to decide on snacks.
Oh, so you just want the popcorn all to yourself.
Maybe. I do love popcorn.
All right, I'll buy the tickets. You bring the snacks. Deal?
Deal. And maybe we can grab some chai after the movie.
Perfect. Movie and shy, best combo.
You're learning fast.
Well, I have a good teacher.
Oh, that's sweet. Shopping together. Oh, look, Yamen. That shop has a big sale today.
Really? Oh, you and sales. Dangerous combination.
Don't worry, I'll just look.
Just look. I don't believe you.
Okay, maybe I'll buy one thing. This dress is so pretty. What do you think?
It looks really nice. How much is it?
Checking the tag. Ah, $50. That's a bit expensive.
Maybe, but it looks good quality.
Maybe I'll wait.
Look, there's a discount rack. Let's check there.
Oh, yes, good idea. Look at this, only $15.
That's better. Try it on.
Okay, wait here. Well, how does it look?
Wow, it looks perfect.
Really? Then I'll take it.
Yen, I knew you'd buy something.
You were right.
Maybe I should buy something too.
Ah, finally. What do you want?
These jeans look good. Let me check the price. $60.
Oh, that's a lot.
Ugh, yeah, too much for me. I'll skip.
Smart choice. Let's pay for my shirt. That will be $15. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Shopping is tiring.
For you, yes. For me, it's fun.
Fun for you, pain for my wallet.
Don't worry. Today you saved money.
True, but I'll buy something next time.
Okay, next time we shop for you.
Deal, but not too long, please.
Oh, you're so impatient.
Yes, that's me.
Don't worry, I'll make it quick.
Thanks. Anyway, let's grab a snack now. I'm hungry.
Oh, perfect. Shopping and then food?
Best combo.
At a restaurant.
I'm already hungry. My stomach is making noise.
I can hear it.
Don't laugh at me. What are you going to order?
Maybe pizza. I love pizza. What about you?
I'm thinking of pasta. Oh, and maybe some garlic bread, too.
Wow, big appetite.
Yes, I eat a lot when I'm hungry.
Do you like spicy food?
Oh, yes, I love a little spice. What about you?
Of course. I'm from India. We eat spicy food every day. But you, can you handle real Indian curry?
Maybe not every day, but I like mild curry. It's delicious.
Good choice. So, do you cook at home, Yamen?
Yes, often. I enjoy cooking. I usually make Spanish dishes,
Oh, like what?
like tortilla española. It's made with eggs, potatoes, and onions. Simple but tasty.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It is. I'll make it for you one day.
Really? I can't wait. Thank you.
Oh, this Costa is so good. Want to try?
Oh, yes, please. Delicious.
I told you.
Try this pizza.
Oh, cheesy and yummy. I love it.
Do you drink coffee or tea after food?
Coffee, always.
Of course, Mr. Coffee.
And you?
Tea. I like green tea or sometimes masala chai.
Oh, healthy choice.
Yes, I try to stay healthy even after pizza.
I'm full now.
Me too. I ate too much.
Always.
But it was worth it. The food was great.
Yes, very tasty. Next time, I'll cook for you at home.
Deal. And I'll bring dessert. Maybe gulab jamun.
Perfect plan.